Oh no, I see a spider web is tangled up with me, and I lost my head and thought of all the stupid things I'd said.
John B. Yeah. I can't maintain a relationship. They remind me I don't relate to shit. I love you, I'm not in love with you, but I want you in my life and that's an issue. I hate to say I'm not committed, I admit it. Only 22, I'm trying to live it to the limit. You know I'm coming back for you the minute that I'm finished. Right now a girlfriend would be a blemish on my image. I led you on and you might think I'm selfish, but I like your company, I really can't help it. Even though I see you twice a week, tell me why you adamantly fight for me, saying please don't leave, but I'm focused on my plan. It's not personal, I hope you understand. Someday you will trust me again, but for now, I'm sorry that our love had to end.
Oh no, I see a spider web is tangled up with me, and I lost my head and thought of all the stupid things I'd said.
I had a falling out with a family member. I lashed out and said some shit I still can't remember. For a while I was actually crazy, but I wouldn't change the past if you paid me. You live and you learn, you slip and you burn. Work hard and keep your mind off the figures you earn. I'm highly aware what the fame could bring. I won't ever let money fuck up a good thing. It once did, but that saga's over. And if anything, it brought us closer. Now we always sober. A bunch of guys on the rise, realize we gon' ride till we die with our eyes on the prize. Look, instead of falling over like some dominoes, we put our egos to the side for one common goal. And fuck the politics, we'll handle it together. Friends come and go, man, family is forever.
Oh no, I see a spider web is tangled up with me, and I lost my head and thought of all the stupid things I'd said.
I thought I had support from my family until my mom said, don't forget about a plan B. I don't blame her, she doesn't understand me. I love making music, I don't need someone to grant me. You can be the best at what you do, but it doesn't matter, cause it means nothing till you're paid. I'd rather stay poor doing something that I love than to ever be rich doing something that I hate. I can truly say that I'm happy with my life. I'm never let down cause my attitude is right.